Another day, another story. Welcome back to our channel, where we strive to provide you with valuable tips and insights to help you achieve your financial dreams. In today's video, we'll be discussing the ultimate guide to goal setting, specifically tailored to help you reach your financial aspirations. So, let's dive right in. Setting goals is an integral part of achieving success in any area of life. And finance is no exception. By setting clear and realistic financial goals, you can create a roadmap that will guide your actions and decisions, ultimately leading you towards the life you envision. In this video, we will explore the importance of goal setting, how you can take advantage of it, and provide you with practical examples to ensure you're on the right track. Goal setting is crucial because it provides you with direction and purpose. Without clear goals, you may find yourself drifting aimlessly, unsure of what steps to take to improve your financial situation. By defining your objectives, you give yourself a target to strive for, which in turn motivates and energizes you along the journey. Now, let's discuss how you can effectively leverage goal setting to achieve your financial dreams. Firstly, start by identifying your long-term financial objectives. Do you want to buy a house, start a business, or retire comfortably? By envisioning your desired financial future, you can then break down these long-term goals into smaller, more manageable short-term goals. Next, make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This framework, known as SMART goals, helps ensure that your objectives are well-defined and actionable. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to save money," a SMART goal would be, "I will save $10,000 by the end of next year by setting aside $200 from my monthly income." Additionally, it's essential to track your progress regularly. Keep a record of your financial milestones and celebrate your achievements along the way. This will help you stay motivated and provide a sense of accomplishment, encouraging you to continue working towards your dreams. Let's consider a simple example to illustrate the power of goal setting in achieving financial dreams. Meet Sarah, a young professional who dreams of starting her own business. Sarah sets a long-term goal of saving $50,000 within 5 years to launch her venture. To make it more attainable, she breaks it down into shorter-term goals of saving $10,000 per year, or approximately $833 per month. Sarah diligently tracks her progress, adjusts her budget, and keeps her eyes on the prize. 5 years later, she successfully reaches her goal and turns her business dream into a reality. Congratulations! You have now learned the ultimate guide to goal setting for achieving your financial dreams. Remember, goal setting is a powerful tool that can transform your financial future. Take the time to define your objectives, make them SMART, and track your progress along the way. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content like this. Share this video with anyone who may benefit from it. And don't forget to hit the notification bell, so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay focused, stay motivated, and keep striving for your financial dreams.